Everyone, this is Asia from Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin yung reaction video, ang Joe Mika TikTok compilation. It's Bini Joanna and Bini Mika. So, tatapusin ko na to. Ito na yung pinaka-last batch ng mga na-download ko. And bubuksan ko naman yung Telegram kasi ang dami na naman send. Without further ado, let's start this video.
Wait lang. Habang kumakanta ako, nag-message si Joanna. Mix! Lost boy next mo dyan, please.
At ano naman ko na to?
Favorite ko ni Joanna, kantayin ko. Kaya dahil nag-request si ate mo, Joanna.
Ano ba to? Hindi ako sure.
Kantayin natin yung Lost Boy.
Hindi ako sure kung napanood ko na to.
Hindi na kailangan ng diamonds kasi si Joanna mo.
I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan. And when we're bored, we play in the woods, always on the run from Captain Hook. Run, run,
Ba't na napanood?
lost boy,
Hindi pa.
they say
Hindi
to
pa.
me.
Ay,
Away
kasi ba't mo kay Joanna?
reality. Neverland is home to lost boys like me and lost boys like me.
Boses ni Mika yung kumakanta. Di ba? Parang boses ni Mika. Ay, ano to? Ay, ayaw. Ayaw. Tingin. Ay, ganda ni Mika. But they see versus ano ito eh? Medyo Mika. Medyo Mika for today's video. Grabe yung dynamics ng boses ni Joanna dyan. Hindi kong buong-buo. Tapos papunta pataas. Holding hands. Okay? Bakit naman hindi si Mika? Kasi magalang si Joanna. Kaya rin siya.
We let them fall behind, they never found. And when the lights stop flashing like a photo booth, and the stars exploding, will be fireproof.
Ay, tapos na pala yun. Kala ko naman mahaba. Ay, ano ito? Uy, oo. Uy, ang ganda nitong song na to. Naalala niya talaga si Mika. Ay, delikado ka na. Oh, Mika. Bakit ganyan ka? Eh, okay ka naman kay Aya. Okay naman siya kay Aya, pero bakit siya gumaganyan?
Worth it ba to? How much? Yeah, it's worth it. Just go get it.
Look at it.
For everyone. Nakakuha na ako eh.
For everyone.
Okay. Okay, ask me then. Hindi ko worth it lang.
Kasi ano eh, kasi what do you call this? What do you call this?
So, dapat hindi ako yung kasama mo.
Kasi di ba nalalaki siya sa US? So masasabi niya talaga kung worth it or hindi.
What's this? Go!
Kaya masasabi niya talaga kung worth it or hindi.
Well, it would have been better here because it's bigger.
Okay. Oh my God. Tumago. Oh, wait lang. It's familiar. Parang familiar. Ay, tapos na pala yun. Okay.
Sorry. Oh my God.
Someone sent yung machita.
Bisa na Yamashita?
May sendag na machita.
Sino yan?
Ay! Bakit sa naman ni Joanna? Hindi mo nagsend yung machita? Huwag mo lang nasend. May inayos niya. Caring talaga. Acts of service talaga yung kanyang ano. Yung kanyang, what do you call this? Yung kanyang love language. Right? Wait lang, mag-charge mo. Wait.
Cause I'm falling slow in love with you. Jangan kita biarkan.
Okay. In fairness, sa smile ni Joanna kung kasama si Mika, iba din.
There goes my heart beating. Cause you are the reason.
Happy birthday, Joanna. Tataksin, oh. Pero si Mika, oh. Harap-harapan yung ginagawa kay Ayaw. Harap-harapan, oh. Taksil, oh. Is taksil for today's video. What is taksil for today's video? Okay, actually tapos na to. Alright, there you go guys. It is our for today's video, our Joanna or Jomika TikTok compilation. This is AJ Vlogs. See you on the next one. Bye!